What if I told you the robots you see in warehouses, hospitals, and even self-driving cars all talk using a common language? That language is called ROS, Robot Operating System. In this video, I'll show you how ROS actually works with real examples, how robots sense, think, and act, career opportunities you can target, and the exact roadmap to get started. Nodes and topics. Instead of definitions, let's visualize this. Imagine a robot trying to avoid a wall. Here's what happens. A laser scanner node scans surroundings. It sends distance data to a /scan topic. A navigation node subscribes to that topic. If distance less than 1 meter, it sends a stop command. This is called the publish-subscribe model. Think of it like this. Nodes equals apps. Topics equals internet. They don't talk directly. They communicate through shared channels. Why this is powerful? You can replace a sensor without rewriting the whole system. Robot communication. Robots are constantly exchanging data in real time. Example, self-driving robot. Camera node detects objects. Processing node classifies obstacle. Motion node adjusts direction. All this happens in milliseconds. This modular system is why ROS is used in autonomous vehicles, industrial robots, drones. Sensors and motion. Every robot follows a simple loop. Sense, think, act. Let's break it. Sense. Cameras capture images. LiDAR maps surroundings. IMU tracks motion. Think. Algorithms process data. AI models detect patterns. Act. Motors move. Robot changes direction. Example, robot vacuum. Detects wall, processes distance, turns instantly. Simulation basics. Here's something beginners don't realize. You don't start with real robots. You start with simulation. In simulation, you can test navigation, train models, debug safely. Robotics programmer. This is the core role. What you do? Build robot logic. Work on navigation, perception. Skills needed. Python, C++, ROS, basic AI. Industries, self-driving cars, healthcare robotics, defense. Automation roles. Not all jobs are hardcore coding. Automation engineers work with robotic arms, optimize factory processes. High demand in manufacturing, warehouses, logistics. Learning path. Now, you might be thinking, where do I actually learn all this? Here's the truth. Learning ROS is not just about watching tutorials. It's about hands-on practice. And this is where platforms like UCertify come in. Why they matter? Pre-configured environments, hands-on labs. Biggest beginner problem? Setting up ROS on Linux. Tools like this remove that headache, so you focus on building, not debugging installations. Before you jump in, avoid these. Mistake 1. Building everything at once. Start small. Don't try to build a full robot on day 1. Mistake 2. Ignoring documentation. ROS documentation is your best friend. Most answers are already there. Mistake 3. Ignoring Linux. ROS runs mainly on Linux. If you avoid this, you'll struggle a lot. Bonus tip. Also understand ROS 1 versus ROS 2. ROS 2 is the future. Robotics is where software meets the real world. If you learn ROS today, you're not just learning tech, you're building the future. If this helped you, like the video, comment ROS for a beginner roadmap, subscribe for more AI and robotics content.